Welcome to GK at Tamosri. What is a computer? A. Input processor. B. Device that transforms data into information. C. Electronic device. D. All of these. D. All of this. A computer is an electronic device that stores, processes and retrieves information based on instruction and uses a combination of hardware components to perform tasks. How many types of computer are there on the basis of computer size? A7, B6, C5, D4. D4. Based on size, computers are broadly classified into four main types: supercomputer, mainframe computers, mini computers and microcomputer. In which year supercomputer was first created? A. 1964, B. 1975, C. 1980, D. 1984. A. 1964. The first supercomputer was designed by Seymour Cray. This was machine developed by Control Data Corporation. An analog computer operates on which type of data? A. Text data, B. Analog data, C. Digital data, D. None of these. B. Analog data. An analog computer operates on continuous or analog data which is represented by continuously changing physical quantities like voltage, current or mechanical movement rather than discrete values like binary digits. Which computer works on data in zeros and ones? A. Digital computer, B. Hybrid computer, C. Supercomputer, D. Analog computer. A. Digital computer. All digital computers operate on data using binary system to represent information as sequence of zeros and ones. Each 0 and 1 is called bit. These bits are grouped together to form large unit of data like bytes. When you type a letter on your keyboard, the computer translates the letter into a sequence of zeros and ones that can be understood and stored. Which type of computer can handle analog as well as digital data? A. Hybrid, B. Digital, C. Analog, D. Super. A. Hybrid computer are used in specialized application where both analog and digital data processing are required, such as petrol pumps, airplanes, hospitals and scientific research. What is the name given to huge computer with large computation speed? A. Supercomputer, B. Mini computer, C. Microcomputer, D. Mainframe computer. A. Supercomputer performance is measured in floating point operation per second. Supercomputer are exceptionally powerful computer designed to run at the fastest possible speed, capable for handling complex calculations and simulation that could be impossible for ordinary computers. In which type of computer data are represented as discrete signals? A. Analog computer, B. Digital computer, C. Hybrid computer, D. Supercomputer. B. Digital computer data is represented as discrete signals, which means information is encoded using a finite set of values typically represented as binary digits, zeros and ones. Which type of computer is used for solving complex applications such as global weather forecasting? A. Public computer, B. Hybrid computer, C. Mobile computer, D. Supercomputer. D. Supercomputer are used in complex applications like global weather forecasting, creating graphic image, engineering design and testing, space exploration, etc. Which invention makes to give birth to much cheaper microcomputer? A. Mainframes, B. Microcomputer, C. Microprocessor, D. Pads. C. Microprocessors. The invention of microprocessors, also called single chip CPU, gave birth to much cheaper microcomputers. Which type of computer can operate on batteries and hence they are very popular with travel? A. Mainframes, B. Laptops, C. Hybrid, D. Microprocessor. B. Laptop is a portable battery-powered personal computer that's smaller than briefcase, offering functionally of a desktop computer, which is added advantage of mobility. Lithium-ion batteries are common type of batteries used in many portable devices, offering a good balance of energy density Weight and charging speed. What is PDA stands for? A. Personal digital application. B. Private digital applications. C. Personal digital assistants. D. Private digital assistants. C. Personal digital assistants are also called handheld. They are small and it can be carried anywhere. Which computer are lower to mainframe computer in terms of speed and storage? A. Mini. B. Super. C. Mainframe. D. Hybrid. A. Mini computer. In terms of both speed and storage capacity, mini computer are lower than mainframe computers. Which of this does not support multiple users at the same time? A. Mainframe computer. B. Workstation computer. C. Mini computer. D. None of these. B. Workstation computer or single user computer used for performing a specific task with great accuracy. Mainframe computer are used in which of these sectors? A. Banking. B. Government. C. Health. D. All of these. D. All of these. Mainframe computer are used in banking, health, government, insurance, etc. Which of this computer can be easily used for individual use? A. Supercomputer. B. Personal computer. C. Workstation. D. None of these. B. Personal computer is a computer designed for individual use. Laptop and MacBook comes under the category of personal computer. What does CPU stands for? A. Calculation platform for a user. B. Central processing unit. C. Counter processing unit. D. All of these. B. Central processing unit is also called central processor, main processor, microprocessor or just a processor. Is a primary processor in a given computer. Its electronic circuitry execute instruction of a computer program such as arithmetic, logic controlling and input-output operations. Mini computer is a mid-sized multiprocessing system capable for supporting up to how many users simultaneously? A. 50, B. 100, C. 200, D. 250. 250. It is designed to handle multiple users accessing the system at the same time, making them suitable for applications where several users need to share resources and data. What is the other name of desktop and personal computer? A. Microcomputer. B. Mini computer. C. Mainframe computer. D. Hybrid computer. A. Microcomputer is now primarily used to mean a PC, but it can be referred to any kind of small computer such as desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet, smartphone. Which of the following is the world's first supercomputer? A. Pratyush. B. Paramsiddhi. C. Cray 1. D. None of these. C. Cray 1. The first supercomputer introduced in 1976 was Cray 1, designed and manufactured by Cray Research, founded by Samuel Cray, who is often considered the father of supercomputing. Answer for last video was Hirakud Dam. The longest dam in India is the Hirakud Dam located Odisha, spanning approximately 25.8 kilometers, and it is the world's largest earthen dam. It stretches across the Mahanadi River. The video is available on iQuod. What is the other name of handheld computer? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.